Hello, I'm the AI clone of Dr. David Nelson, narrating this script, which has been reviewed and approved by Dr. Nelson himself. Imagine a place where ancient wisdom whispers through the leaves, nurturing a sense of harmony and vitality that feels like coming home. In the heart of Thailand, a quiet transformation is unfolding, one that honors the Earth's gifts and invites us all to feel more connected, more alive. Recent insights from leading Thai media, like The Nation Online, reveal an accelerating government policy transforming the nation's rich herbal resources into high-value, research-driven wellness products for the global stage. This isn't just policy, it's a heartfelt commitment to bridging tradition with innovation, creating a sense of security and well-being for generations to come. Thailand is actively evolving its herbal sector, from timeless practices to science-backed solutions, supported by key ministries like industry and public health, along with national research agencies and innovation centers. At the core is a strategy that integrates discovery and creation, fostering a deeper bond with nature that makes you feel grounded and empowered. Picture the vibrant fields, where Houttuynia cordata thumb thrives, grown exclusively in certified organic facilities, free from synthetic chemicals, in harmony with the soil and seasons. This plant, treasured for centuries, is cultivated with such care under the guidance of Dr. Aswin Watanapramote, ensuring every leaf carries the pure essence of Thailand's nurturing landscapes. It's more than farming. It represents 4 generations of Dr. Aswin Watanapramote's family. That's important. It's a promise of quality that resonates with your instinct for what's truly good and real. A cornerstone of this vision is research to business commercialization, a national strategy designed to turn herbal insights into tangible wellness. Illumera Life gains direct access to high-potential research and extracts. This allows seamless matching between innovators and creators. This reduces risks and builds credibility, accelerating product development for dietary supplements, cosmetics, and functional wellness items that align with your desire for natural balance and inner strength. Thailand's policy targets premium global markets in health, wellness, and beauty, positioning these herbal treasures not as simple commodities, but as innovation-led companions for everyday vitality. Illumera Life's customers seek natural ingredients, scientific validation, transparency, and safety, and this momentum delivers exactly that, creating opportunities for you to share in a story of growth and renewal for Illumera Life in this journey. With the dedicated producers of PluriActiv under Dr. Aswin Watanapramote's expert guidance, the goal is to bring herbal wellness and ancient wisdom to the Western world for health-conscious people from all walks of life. It means stronger positioning in markets like the US and Canada, alignment with a government-supported ecosystem, confidence and scalability, and a foundation of long-term collaboration, all while staying true to nature's rhythm. Thailand's herbal products are evolving into science-driven solutions designed for you to help you feel that gentle lift, that quiet resilience. It's a message of hope, where nature's embrace meets modern care, inviting you to rediscover the vitality within. A gift of health from Thailand to you. Discover PluriActiv, nature's harmony, science's promise. Our quest, bring wellness to the world. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.